Assalamu alaikum, Bismillah Banyo, dear students. We continue always with the course of the essay, and today we'll try to introduce a brief introduction about the lessons of the second semester, because in this second semester we are concerned with types of essays. Types of essays, this heading, we find it in books of writing in different ways, in different terms, which express always the same idea. You may find, for example, patterns of organization, types of ordering, ways of development, types of essays, and so on. So all these refer to the same concept, which represents the ways of ordering your ideas, and in the essay, which gives it or give your essay a different and distinctive type, clear distinctive type. Now, of course, we find the hint, right, or the reference clear to all these. I mean, types of paragraphs or essays or ways of ordering, development, and so on. In the thesis statement, it means the writer in his thesis statement should be clear, right, to state that the essay will be tackled, right, in this or that pattern. My ideas will be discussed, right, or subject discussed through this or that way of ordering. Clear? Why? To just inform the reader from the beginning about how this subject with its main ideas are going to be tackled and developed. Clear? And developed, whether it is cause and effect, contrast and comparison, process, narration, and so on. Clear? So be clear from the beginning in your thesis and try to state this clearly. Clear? Good. Now, we have usually 4 types of ordering. 4 types of ordering. Clear? Or organizing our ideas in any piece of writing, even paragraph or essay. Clear? Or essay. But here mainly we speak about the essay because it's our course. Good. Number 1, we have time order, or what we call chronological order of ideas. So, under this type of ordering, we find 2 patterns of essays. We find narrative writing and the process writing. Or we can say narrative pattern and process pattern. Narrative, of course, we mean when you tell a story and you order its events according to the time of their occurrence in the past, or even describe a series of events which happened in the past, always chronologically, one after the other, the same way, alright, they happen in the past. Clear? Right. Also, our process here, of course, we refer to when you give steps of a process. Clearly explain the steps of a process. You should here also organize them and order them according to their time of occurrence, one after the other. Clear? To cover the whole process from the beginning till the end of the process. Clear? Or sometimes even you add or you express instructions which lead to fulfillment of a particular operation or also process. Clear? Good. Second type of ordering is spatial order. Spatial, space. Physical, if you can say, shape. Physical description here. So here we are concerned with descriptive pattern of writing. Descriptive essay, you can say. Clear? Or way of ordering. Here, of course, you should consider that spatial order. It means this object or person you're going to describe in your essay or composition, clear. You should cover it from top to bottom, or vice versa, from bottom to top, or describe it from right to left, like a car, or vice versa, from left to right. So the spatial order requires you as a writer, when you describe something or someone, to consider, okay, and to respect this order, clear, in the physical shape or body of the elements you are describing, clear. Don't just describe it randomly, from top, from bottom, from right now, top to bottom, or bottom to top. Follow one line, okay, of description and be consistent to it, clear, right. Of course, to create a coherent piece of writing, which will be clear and coherent. Third way of ordering is called logical division of ideas. Here we are concerned with classification pattern, classification pattern or essay or any type of composition. Here, of course, you are required to what? Break your topic into categories, clear, into types, into, I don't know, sub categories, right? You should come up with divisions within it, or types within it, or tackle its categories, or its classes, and of course, you order them logically, clear, right? Them logically, right? Logical way, always to create coherence and to make your discussion of the topic clear for the reader and smooth, clear from one point to another, one type to another, of course, in an orderly way, of course, always to avoid arbitrariness in presenting the details and also these types, right? Good. Fourth way of ordering is called order of importance. It means here you order your main points, whether they are reasons or effects or arguments or points of comparison or points of contrast. Clear. Order them, of course, according to their importance, from the most important to the least important, or vice versa. Why not? From the least important to the most important, or you order your main point from the general to the specific, or vice versa, or also from the most familiar points to the least familiar, or from the simplest to the most complex, or vice versa. You are free here. Just order your ideas, your points, clear, according to their importance. To create that smooth, if you can say, drift in your paragraph of your ideas, that smooth transition from one reason or one argument to another, clear, to another, from the strongest to the weakest, or the weakest to the strongest, for example, arguments, clear, just to show that they are tackling something in a logical way, something that you make its discussion coherent, clear, and orderly, right? Good. So, under this order of importance, we find different patterns. We find expository pattern, writing, essays. When you expose facts, also order them according to their importance, from the most important to the least important, or vice versa. Also, we find cause and effect pattern. Here also you order your causes or your effects in the essay, right? From the strongest to the weakest, most important, least important, or vice versa, right? Also for points of comparison, comparison and also contrast paragraph, also an essay, right? And writing and pattern are also within this type of ordering. So always try to order your points of comparison or points of contrast, clear, clear importance, clear importance. Also we have argumentative essay or pattern or writing also should also consider this type of ordering from the strongest argument to the weakest, or vice versa, most important, least important, or vice versa, clear, and so on and so forth. So these four types of essays are included under the umbrella of order of importance. So here are, as you see, we have highlighted the four ways of ordering, and under each way of ordering, we have the particular related type of essay or pattern of organization which is related to it. Generally, there are, we said, for time order, spatial order, logical division of ideas, and order of importance. We now also have coming videos and lessons will try to cover them pattern by pattern and time by time. We'll study their rules and their norms of writing, and we'll try also to exemplify right for each type and each pattern. Thank you so much.